Hi, welcome. My name is Abdulaziz Mohammed, and in this quick video tutorial, I would like to, show you how to enable guided access. Guided access is a feature which is available on iOS, iPadOS. Guided access can be used to restrict your iPhone or your iPad to one single specific app. It is very beneficial, for example, if you are a business and you have an iPad in a visitor area, so you would like to show those visitors to your business one particular area of your business. You don't want them to navigate anywhere else. You don't want to share some other data with them. So you can log that app to the one specific app presenting, the visitor with the information you would like to show them in a way that, they're not able to navigate away from that presentation or play with the iPad. In another scenario, it would be like in a school if you are a teacher and you just want your students to be concentrated on one particular app for a task. You can log the device to that particular app, and the student won't be able to go away or navigate or open different apps within the iPad. And if you are a parent as well and you would like your child to concentrate on one single app for a homework task, you can log that iPad to that particular uh, uh, app as well. So this is very beneficial. I'm going to show you how to use it, and you can set it in a way which is really, what do you call, to make it hard for anyone to navigate away from it. We're going to settings, we navigate into accessibility, and I will scroll down all the way down until I see guided access. My guided access is off at the moment. I'm going to turn it on. My guided access is turned on. Then I'm going to press passcode settings. In here you go two options. Either you can use Touch ID or passcode. You can set a passcode. I'm on an iPad, so I'm going to use passcode. If you have a new like an iPhone, you can use Face ID as well to be able to use as well. Okay, so I'm going to use passcode. I'm going to create a new passcode. So just make sure you remember the passcode that you create. So the passcode is set now for the guided access. I'm gonna go out now. I'm gonna select the app that I want to use for this video tutorial. I'm gonna go for Safari. So I want to restrict Safari for this scenario, and I've selected the State Victoria Library. What I want to do is I'm gonna log down this iPad to this browser, Safari browser, to this website. I don't want any visitor to go out away from the State Library Victoria, so I'm gonna disable the address bar. I'm gonna disable the share button, and also I'm gonna disable what do you call, the option to open new tab for a browser, and the bookmark as well. Okay, so in order to do that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna triple click my home button to start the guided access. If you are on an iPhone, or what you can do, you could triple click the side button to start that as well. So it says guided access started. I'm gonna put in my code. As you can see, I'm gonna remove it now. I'm gonna resume, and what I'm gonna do to show you, so I would like to restrict the visitor to navigate away from the State Library of Victoria, so I'm gonna disable the address bar. Okay, we're gonna do that together. I'm gonna show you now. So I'm gonna, if you can look at the bottom on the screen, it says there is an options. It says circle areas on the screen you would like to disable it. So I'm gonna do that. All the way up on the left you have end. Once you finish your configuration, you can end it. And on the way to the right hand corner all the way up, there's a resume as well. So I'm gonna start by disabling the address bar. I'm gonna just draw around it. As you can see now, my address bar is disabled. No one can type anything and change it. And on the same time, I'm going to draw around the share button, the new tab, and the bookmark as well. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm happy with that. Now I've disabled the address bar and the share button, the browser tab, and the bookmark. So if you're happy with your configuration, all you need to do now is resume. And now you can give the iPad or to whoever wants to use it. As you can see now, I can go up and down, but I cannot change, I cannot type a new address there. I cannot visit different websites, I cannot share, I cannot add anything. They can go through the website, they can go different places, they can learn about it, they can do a search of collections, which means they're still inside the same website, they cannot travel away from it. I can browse, I can check, but I can go out from here. As you can see, it's really restricted, the app is really restricted to this particular website. They cannot navigate, your visitors cannot navigate away from it. If anyone trying to press the home button, they will be asked, to triple click in order to disable it, but they won't know, their code, so they'll be stuck in there. So I hope you have learned something from this, and then if you like it, press the like button. If you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. I'll be releasing more videos in the next few days. And now I'm gonna add this session by disabling the guided access. I'm gonna triple click, I'm gonna put my code, and now as you can see, it says at the top hand on the left hand side, I'm gonna press end so we can add. And now the guided access is off. I can go and type anywhere I want. I can go to Google, I can go to Yahoo. As you can see, I can go and navigate anywhere I want to navigate. So the iPad is back into a normal mode, so it's not restricted only to the Safari. I can go and open anything that I want to open. Okay, I hope this was beneficial to you, and if you like it, let me know, put a comment. I would appreciate